How to create typography text animation in After Effects like this. Let's get started. Create a new composition. Make it full HD, frame rate 30, and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to Text. Type your text. Press S to increase your text. Go to Align to put your text into the middle. If you don't see Align, you can go to Window and check Align. Right-click and pre-compose your text. And I'll name it Text. Double-click on Text. Now I'll make this composition matching with text. So I'll go to Composition Setting and decrease width and height. Make your text 3D. And if you don't see 3D, you can go to Toggle Switch and click on it. Go to Effect, Generate Gradient Ramp. Click on Swap Color. Now go to Anchor Point, then go to Y Position and drag it to this point like that. Go few frames forward. Press R for rotation. Decrease X rotation. Then keyframe on it. Ctrl D to copy, then press R for rotation. Decrease X rotation. Again, Ctrl D to copy. Then press R for rotation, decrease X rotation. Make this many times. Now go to First Text, then Ctrl D to copy. Now increase X rotation. Ctrl D to copy, and do it many times. Select them all. Press R for rotation, go to first frame, and change X rotation to 90 degrees. And C. Now go to copy this expiration. I'll leave it in the description. Then go to X rotation, Alt and click, then pass this expiration. Do this for all. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.